Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the dustbin on the Narwal Freo X Plus robot vacuum and mop. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our top cover. So just hold it on the back and just flip it open like that. It's magnetic, so it should snap off pretty easily. And here we have our dustbin, so it looks like this. And what we're going to do is just hold it with our finger on the bottom right here, and then just pull this cover to the bottom, like that. And it should come off pretty easily. So now we have our dustbin and it's out. But if you want to place it back, you just do the same thing. You hold this little thing, you squeeze it, and then you just put it back in its place and release. And it should be holding pretty nicely. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.